in retirement are tax-free. Traditional 401k contributions are made with pre-tax money, and distributions are taxed upon withdrawal. The annual limit, which does apply to both the traditional and the Roth, is $22,500 in the year 2023. If you are 50 and older, the annual limit is $30,000. You can contribute to both accounts as long as you do not exceed the annual limit. One thing to keep in mind, guys, employer contributions, employer matching contributions are pre-tax. So even if you're making contributions to the Roth 401k and you're receiving employer match, your employer match will go into the pre-tax account. So now that we've talked about the difference between the traditional 401k and a Roth 401k, let's talk about the tax treatment of both. For traditional 401ks, withdrawals of contributions and earnings are taxed. Distributions may be penalized if you take them before 59 and a half unless you meet an exception. Roth 401ks, withdrawals of contributions and earnings are not taxed as long as the distribution is qualified. Okay, and to meet that qualification, the account has to be held for at least 5 years and the distribution is due to disability or death, or the taxpayer is 59 and a half. The biggest question, and I get this a lot, which is the best for me? Should I contribute to a traditional 401k or should I contribute to the Roth 401k? The decision basically comes down to how you want to take the money out. If you prefer to pay your taxes now and you think that you're going to be in a higher tax bracket when you retire, the Roth 401k is typically the best option. A Roth 401k may also be a better option if you are in a high tax bracket making the maximum contributions. By paying taxes now, you're shielding yourself from a potential tax increase by the time you retire. Look at it this way. $100,000 in a Roth 401k is $100,000, while $100,000 in a traditional 401k is $100,000 less the taxes, because keep in mind, 401k contributions are tax deferred. You will pay the taxes once you start taking distributions or withdrawals. By deferring your taxes with traditional 401k contributions, you're delaying those taxes to a time when your income and your tax rates are unknown and you could possibly be in a higher tax bracket when you start making more money. A few other things for you guys to consider. Roth 401ks do not have income limits like a Roth IRA. Taking distributions from a Roth 401k in retirement can lower your gross income. Lowering your gross income in retirement may reduce the amount of taxes that you pay on your Social Security benefit. Although a Roth 401k is not as flexible as a Roth IRA, if you are a higher wage earner and you are able to participate in an employer-sponsored plan, the Roth 401k may be a best option for you. You can contribute to both the traditional 401k and a Roth 401k, and many people do that, okay? And doing so will diversify your tax situation. But also keep this in mind. Contributing to a traditional 401k does reduce your taxable income. So if you're someone that you need the tax shelter, because again, as I mentioned in the previous video, remember the previous video if you guys watched that, a traditional 401k, that is your best tax shelter as an employee, because again, it is a pre-tax contribution. It reduces your taxable income. So keep that in mind. To summarize, 401k contributions are made on a pre-tax basis. The money is tax deferred. You do not pay taxes on the money until you actually take them out. If you take the money out before age 59 and a half, you could be subject to a 10% penalty unless you qualify for an exception. Okay? Roth 401k, those are made with after-tax money. So if you take the money when you're in retirement, your withdrawals are tax-free as long as you're 59 and a half. So you basically take all the information that I shared with you and you have to decide which option is the best option for you. Okay, pre-tax contributions or after-tax contributions. So what it boils down to is, what will your situation look like when you retire? Are you going to be in a higher tax bracket or are you going to be in a lower tax bracket? I've provided you with detailed information regarding traditional 401k, Roth 401k, so you should be able to make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, make a comment below, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And again, let me know what video you would like me to make next. I would be more than happy to comply. Thank you for supporting this channel, and I hope you guys are in on this journey for the long run. Thanks again for watching. Until next time. Bye, guys.